Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review iHoy Captain Autopilot. iHoy Captain is a marine autopilot that makes steering your boat easier, safer, and more convenient. Installation is simple and can be done by yourself in just a few minutes, with no extra service fees. You can also uninstall it easily without leaving a trace on your boat. For navigation, iHoy Map provides all the essential tools you need. You can plan your route, place waypoints, track your boat in real time, and measure distances, all from one easy interface. This helps you stay in control while enjoying the trip. The autopilot itself works directly through your mobile phone, offering fuel efficiency, safety, and comfort. Its dual mode screens makes it user-friendly, and it keeps your boat on course while auto-calibrating as needed. Using Bluetooth 5 technology, you can maneuver the boat from anywhere on board up to 30 meters away, so you don't need to stay in the cockpit. With path following, iHoy Map and iHoy Captain work together so your boat can automatically follow a planned route, including all maneuvers. This is especially useful for long passages or precise coastal navigation, reducing manual steering and increasing confidence. iHoy Captain is compatible with most boats under 15 meters. You just need a 3/4-inch steering shaft, and it's recommended for Class C and Class D boats. It runs on 12 feet DC power. You can also authorize multiple users to operate the system by downloading the free iHoy Captain app. Before heading out, you can check wind, waves, humidity, and temperature from the iHoy Captain homepage. The autopilot can be engaged or disengaged with a simple mechanical movement, letting you take manual control instantly whenever needed. Overall, iHoy Captain is a highly practical marine autopilot for small to mid-sized boats. It combines easy installation, mobile control, real-time navigation, and automated path following, making boating safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.